This video features a 1991 Case IH Model 7140. Front tires are 14.928s with 50% wear on both sides. There are 800 pounds of weights hanging on the front end. The back tires are 18.442s with 30% wear left on both sides. This tractor features a power shift transmission with 18 forward and 4 reverse gears. There are 3 remotes. The tractor also features a 1000 RPM power takeoff shaft. You can stay very comfortable in this air-conditioned cab. This 7140 currently has 6,144 engine hours. This tractor is available at your Titan Outlet store. Please call us at 877-866-7010. We're here to serve.